Thank you for tuning in and welcome back to a brand new Road to 3K iRacing series. And guys, in this weekly series I upload every week a video when we're trying to achieve the goal. And first of all, thank you guys so much for the major support in the last video, and special shout out to Daan because he recommended me doing the production card challenge. And guys, if you have any recommendation for me to try out, please let me know as well. And as you guys can see, there's multi-class because you have the BMW M2, the Toyota, you have the MX-5 car, which are we going to drive, and you have the Renault Clio. It's slightly less popular, I think. So I've never done multi-class races before and I'm really excited. In this class you have two possibilities. You can either do endurance races of 2 hours or you have a sprint race of 25 minutes. And for this video I chose the 25 minutes race, and for the next video we'll be doing the 2 hours race. So I'm really curious. I've never done this before. I have no clue how this works. So let's just find out, and without further ado, let's jump straight into the qualifying and let's see how we can do. Alright guys, we're into the qualifying and we have 2 laps here at Daytona. As you can see, by the way, I've put a lot of new things on my screen with Race Lab, including the standings, the delta, more telemetry, so you guys can see more. Please let me know in the comments if you like this, if you have any suggestions for me. 8 minutes is actually not too much if you need to do 1 warm-up lap and 2 push laps, especially since we're only halfway through the lap. So I think we'll make it, but we gotta hurry now. So let's try to warm up the tires properly and let's lock in and get some good laps in, guys. Okay, so far it's going pretty well, I would say. You can already see the first lap times coming in from other classes, so I think the MX-5s will almost be there as well. Yeah, I lost a lot of time through here. Oh no. I had too much entry speed and I just realized it, and then the car is really unstable. That's a shame because that's going to cost us a lot here. Because it's, of course, it's a turn before a straight, so... But fortunately we have another push lap and the tires will be in a better window there, so... Oh, it's going to be so tight to even get the second lap in. Let's see, we have 1 minute and 30 seconds. Oh, it's going to be really tight. I need to make no mistakes now. What? Do we lose so much time there? That's crazy. We were 6 tenths up and then lost it all. Ah, that's a shame. Yeah, we're not going to win any timer. That was really bad. I don't know what I was doing there. I just struggle a lot with getting that corner right. So now we're probably going to win like only a couple of hundreds. It's not gonna be enough. We're P8. Oh no, guys. That's a shame. Because in practice I could easily get a 212 3 or 212 4. And then we will be in P3, but it's fine, it's fine. We have all to play for in the race, and I'll explain you why in a bit. Okay guys, we are gridded, and the reason why this is not a problem is because of course Daytona is a slipstream fest. Even if you end up lost or start lost, then you have all to play for in the race because the slipstream is so overpowered, of course, on Daytona. So you can just drive your way forward. So I think we just gotta do that, try to be aggressive, and on the other hand try to be careful as well because we don't want to have any problems. It's quite a long race of almost half an hour, so we have all the time. Wait. What? Huh? Is this a starting line with all the cars behind each other? That's a bit of a weird standing start. Oh wait, I think it's a rolling start actually. Oh wow, I've not done this before. That's gonna be quite scary. It looks like the M2 class is already driving, I guess. And that we're now all together with the Toyotas, so that's gonna be interesting. I have no clue how this works, so let's just see and pray for the best, but never done this before. Oh, we can already shift, okay. What now? Car 32, isn't that the car in front of me? Okay, my engineer's tweaking, I don't know what's going on. Alright, I guess it's a warm-up lap or something. Let's try to get some heat into the tires. I don't know why I'm the only one weaving, maybe it's weird. I can imagine that you want to warm your tire. Okay, someone else weaving. I think he's already going. Wait, what is this? It's such a weird start. Why is he not going? Wait, what? Oh. Oh, green. Shit. I got a bad start. But the guys behind us are so far behind. Okay, that's really good. I have actually a free place here. No one my inside or outside, so that's really good. Oh shit, it's gonna be packed here into turn 1. We gotta be really careful. Oh, watch out, someone went off. Okay. Oh, instant shit. Oh, oh my, carnage. But it's a Toyota, so... Oh my god, that was scary. Oh, I think we lost a place but won another one. I don't know which position we are, but for... Oh, this Toyota is driving really weird. Oh my god, he's sending it. Oh my god, what's he doing? Oh no, this Toyota is ruining it for us. Oh, I didn't even want to overtake him, but now we have to, I guess. Okay, wow, carnage. Oh, he's bomb drafting me. Okay, thank you, I really need it. Oh my, this is so scary because they have faster cars. They should be in front of me. Please overtake me, yes. Thanks. Oh shit, there's another Toyota. I just noticed the Red Bull guy. Ah! I don't want to crash, please. Okay. I'm just going to let the Red Bull guy go because I want to live. And then I just take a slipstream. Oh, I see... what? I see some smoke there. Because now in his slipstream we can just overtake him again. Should be able to. So side drafting here. Let's hope to be in front of him before the corner. Okay, I'm definitely going to let him go. 5th, okay. Yeah, we gotta let him go and not fight too much because we're currently in P6. And I think that's good because we started from P8 or something. And if we fight too hard, then all the guys behind can catch up. It's a long race. So I am fine with staying in the slipstream for quite a long time. It's such a weird track because it's all dependent on the slipstream, of course, in the MX-5s. It's crazy. I think the real life races here will be crazy as well. Oh, I'm so bad at this corner. No! I really need to work on this corner because they keep catching up now here. There are 7/10s behind me. We gotta keep an eye on that gap because now, of course, he has a crazy slipstream. So you can already see the gap shrinking. And I hope the guys in front are going to battle because then we can catch up. Yeah, you can definitely tell if you look at the delta that the guy behind is catching up because I'm really performing really poor into the corners now. That's funny, we have completely different lines to this corner, but we're closed in. The good thing is that the guy behind is falling a bit behind, and the car behind him is closing in, so maybe if they fight as well, there's some pressure. For now, I'm not going to overtake him, because the next straight is much longer, and I don't want to attack him here, so I'm going to wait patiently here. And of course, he might be a bit... slow to here as well due to the pressure. Okay, all good guys. Now the guy behind is closing in slightly, but we have a mega slipstream on this long straight. So I think we should be able to overtake him here. Trying to get an overspeed on him. I think he's going to stay on the inside. He does. I'm going out as late as possible. Giving him the space. Okay, we gotta try to outbrake him then.
No!
Hi, I'm stupid.
Okay, I think this was actually my bad, because I turned in slightly too early. So no hard feelings. The only problem is that we now have to lose time here. Not sure how I'm going to do that. Yeah, probably like this. Okay. Fortunately, we didn't lose the car, and we already reduced the time penalty. And so I would say for now, let's just put the pressure on him and attack again. It was just a shame that we slightly didn't have the pace to already get in front of him. Otherwise, it will be much different. Then would already... Oh, it's really hard to talk and drive. Then I would probably already be in front of him before the corner. Still battling here for P6. It's a really nice midfield battle though. And the guy in P5 is definitely not out of reach yet. So guys, here the same thing. Gotta let him get away. Gonna be patient, but I'm trying to get closer here for the next straight. Oh, we're really slow through here. Shit. I need to get past him ASAP because I don't like that this yellow car behind me is closing in. Oh, okay. He's letting me know he's not going to attack. Oh! Whoa! Okay. I'm not really happy with that contact, but alright. Oh, mate. Yeah, that was really stupid from him because he would already know in that position that you're not going to get a position. He should have braked earlier. Okay guys, we're now still on P6. We have the faster class approaching. Already have the guy in the lead from that past us. Oh, oh my. Wow, that was close. I was a little bit too fast on the throttle there. Wow. Okay, suddenly my wipers decided to start. Nice. Oh, this is intense. This is intense. It's going on for every lap now. I can't take a rest. Because now the guys behind me have the opportunity to attack. And it's such a shame because this exit is crucial to be able to attack. But we have a good overspeed now. So once again, second try. Okay, I'm going to cut him off here. No! Oh, Allard, why are you so f***ing stupid? I'm so dumb. Okay, we can still drive. There's no worries. I'm sorry for the guy behind. Oh, why did I do that? Oh, I'm so ashamed. We had such a fun battle. And now, oh my god, the car doesn't feel straight. The wheel damage is crazy. For now we're in P9, so let's try to keep that. Oh my god, it's undoable to keep the car on track. This is gonna be so tough. I'm so bad in this game, my god. It's such a shame. Oh, it's so annoying. I think the damage from the car behind is actually better, because he probably doesn't have like any damage to his wheels compared to us.
Right side, things are looking good. You're losing on the car.
Things are looking good? Bro, what? I just crashed, mate. What's my engineer saying? That's crazy. Yeah, it's literally impossible to take this corner now with the wheel damage. P10. Okay, we actually have no risk from the car behind because we crashed. Yeah, now I'm going to end up in P10. Nothing I can do. He might be able to attack him in turn 1, so that will be good for me. Okay, this might be our only chance, guys. It's so hard to get a turn in right here with the wheel damage. Oh, nice. I sended it through here. Nice. I keep getting the hang out of this corner more and more. And now we're in 4:10, so we should be within striking distance. And it should be the last lap, so that will be literally perfect timing. Let's get this guy. Come on. I know we can get him. Little side draft. Come on. Oh my god, guys. There is a chance we can do it with damage. Come on. It's all or nothing now. No, what am I doing? Hey, what are you doing, man? Oh, I can't turn in with this car. It's so annoying. We have one more opportunity because now he has the advantage. But of course, we might have to slipstream to the last lap. Ah, stupid car. Turn in. Oh. He overshoot the corner. Right? Oh, guys, it is possible. I need to get a really clean run through these next corners and then I might be able to clinch that P8. That will be so goated. Imagine being so happy over a P8. Okay, off track. Please don't slow down. Okay, guys. It's now all or nothing. We're now dependent on the slipstream. Come on, come on, come on. Oh! GG's, he just got it. No way. Oh, GG's, guys. Yeah, rip, guys. It was a bad race from me. I really need to work on my racecraft because this is just a shame and ruining my iRating. Because we had a really nice battle in the midfield and it was quite clean, but then I ruined it. But I think it was really enjoyable with the multiclass because you have just a lot of things happening. It's like the race length I really like because, of course, the MX-5 is only 12 minutes. So I am a fan of this class, but I really have to adjust to it, get used to it, because of course it's so different. Yeah, we'll just try to grind on it more, improve. I like the series so far. I think we can improve a lot by ourselves. Daytona's not really my track, but yeah, it was a fun experience. I just need to work on myself, but I keep on crashing too much. But for now, let's look into the results. Alright guys, we are here into the results, and as you can see, we lost some iRating, unfortunately. We lost some safety rating, but actually I'm not even mad about it, because I think it's a really nice class. As you can see here, with the iRating, it's of course a less popular class, so you have like bigger gaps between the iRating. And I think that's good because of course with better people you learn more. So I think I would prefer to drive with better people than people around the same iRating. If you would have gotten a P6, we would actually gain some iRating because his other guys gained some iRating. We were on track for a P6. And of course it's just a lot of getting used to this class. Of course I made a mistake myself. I'm not gonna lie, Daytona is not one of my best tracks. So I'm happy if there's another track, and I saw that Zandvoort is gonna be next week, and that's my home track. So I'm actually really excited for that one. I'm just gonna practice because I really like this multi-class vibe, and of course it's 25 minutes racing compared to the 12 minutes racing in the MX-5. And I got the feeling that the racing in this class is more clean than the MX-5 class, because of course the other one is 12 minutes, so everyone goes full send and takes a lot of risk. And here it's more clean because you know you have longer time, it's more slipstream, and when you're in a battle like halfway to the race, the faster class is approaching to lap you, so it just has a lot happening. So I really like this class, and even though we lost some iRating, I think this will be a good class here to try to become better. And I think after that we could maybe go to a faster car, to an M2 or to a GT4, try some other things. If you have any recommendation for me, please let me know in the comments as well. And yeah, just only a bit sad that I made that stupid mistake, that rookie mistake, but it is what it is. Nothing we can do about it now. We learned a lot. I like this class. I'm going to drive here more. I'm going to do the endurance in the next video to test it out as well for you guys. And if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and hope to see you guys in the next video. Ciao.